Hello everyone, today I'm here to give you a quick overview on how to customize the block programs and the block themselves. Uh, the block programs are needed for the Veronte to compute the navigation, the guidance, the control logic, to set the transmitter, to compute the actuator's movement, but can be used also to compute just some variables that then can be stored in the log or that can be used for enhancing the performance or to trigger some automations. In this case, for example, I want to create a new block program, so I can just press the green plus, and now I can just rename it as trial program, for example, and that's it. So I will have this block program. I want to explain what is this lightning bolt. Um, when this lightning bolt is black, it means that this program is executed at a certain frequency that we can check on the scheduler, in which we can reduce the frequency, we can shift the frequency to avoid like the core saturation. While when this is like transparent, it means that this block program will be executed just when some automation are requiring it. For example, now I can leave at always computing this. If I want to add some blocks, you will just need to go on the add block menu. You can type for the block that you are looking for. For example, imagine that I want to do a multiplication, so I will just write x or y, which is for the name of the block, which allow me to do a mathematical operation like that. And imagine that I want to do like a certain algebraic operation like this one. So I will have here this mathematical operation, and here I can put, for example, some variable that are used for a real variable. And imagine that I want to write this on another type of variable. So I will just need to change here and put some user variable. So imagine that the user variable 28 will be user variable 176, user variable 107, and user variable 178. Okay. Okay, and this is simply how to create your home block programs by using the add block menu and searching. There will be also a small description of the block. What I want to point out is this library section. The library section is containing the custom blocks that we are generating. Imagine that now I want to recreate the same exact operation but in another block program. Instead to recreate this block program or this operation over and over in the other block programs, I could just go on the library, create a new block, for example, which is called trial, redo the same operation, so x, y, x minus x plus, and then just by updating input, output, I just recreated this block, and by looking for the trial block in the library block, I will be able to take this, put it here, just remove this and use it as the same operation here, but the same way I can just go on another block program and redo the same just by putting the trial block. And that's it. This was a simple overview of how to customize your own block programs and how to create your own custom block for the library. For any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next videos.